Hello everybody, it's Teacher Tom. It's very nice to see you again. Today we are learning some English for Bonfire Night. That's right, this is called Bonfire Night. This is something that we do in England, where I am from. I am from England, and every year on the 5th of November, that's right, so the 5th of November in England, we have Bonfire Night. It's like a very big party with a big bonfire. That's right, Bonfire Night. So let's have a look at the first one. In 3, 2, 1. Wonderful. So, at night, lots of people come together. They get lots and lots of wood from trees. And then we have a big fire. Wow! And this is called a bonfire. That's right, a bonfire. Can you say bonfire? Very, very good. Well done. Now let's have a look at something else that we see on Bonfire Night. Let's have a look. Wow! So beautiful. Oh my goodness. These are called fireworks. That's right. These are fireworks. Can you say fireworks? Very, very good. Well done. I love to see fireworks in the sky at night. It's very, very beautiful. Okay, let's have a look at something else for Bonfire Night. Yummy! I love these. These are candy that we cook on the fire. That's right. These are called marshmallows. That's right, marshmallows. And they're very yummy. Can you say marshmallows? Very, very good. Well done. Okay, let's have a look at something else that happens on Bonfire Night. Let's have a look. Oh yes, this is so much fun. There's people walking and they have special clothes, and sometimes they are singing or playing music. Very, very cool. This is a parade. That's right. This is a parade. Can you say parade? Very, very good. Well done. Okay, let's have a look at something else from Bonfire Night. That's right. Everybody wears funny clothes on Bonfire Night. This is called a costume. Costume. Can you say costume? Very, very good. Well done. Let's have a look at one more thing on Bonfire Night. And this is something very, very yummy that we can eat. Let's have a look. Wonderful. This is a baked potato. That's right, a baked potato. It's so delicious. Can you say baked potato? Very, very good. Well done. Okay, lovely. Now, I think we should sing another song. I think we should sing London Bridge because it's a song from England, just like Bonfire Night. So let's go and sing London Bridge. Let's go. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady. Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady. Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady. Build it up with silver and gold, silver and gold, silver and gold. Build it up with silver and gold, my fair lady. Silver and gold will be stolen away, stolen away, stolen away. Silver and gold will be stolen away, my fair lady. Send a man to watch all night, watch all night, watch all night. Send a man to watch all night, my fair lady. And that's the song, London Bridge is Falling Down. Lovely. Back in the classroom. Now, you can go and get some paper and you can get some colours and you can have a go at making some fireworks. That's right. You can have a go at drawing some fireworks. That would be really great to see. Well, it's been very nice to see you again, everybody, and I can't wait to see you again very, very soon. Have a lovely day. Bye.